Here what our engineers are testing is a series of automation systems for the production of ball valves, which is a kind of pipe fittings connector. The function of this system is to insert the couriers, the courier of the ball valve and the spacer, the O-ring, into the mold for insertion. This part is to do the mold insertion, and we will have a robot to do the picking of the finished ball valve and put it to insert this O-rings and the couriers into the mold. This unit is to cut the runner and to turn the ball valve after pick out. These are systems for the production of a different size of ball valves. It is the other important division of SWITEK automation solutions.